Yeah, it's been a while since I had fried chicken. I don't recall when the last time I had fried chicken. If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on, be a part of the notification. Gang. Alright, last night I seen Peggy. If you guys don't know who Peggy is, go check her out, guys. She was eating Popeye's fried chicken and waffles. After seeing that legit got me so hungry for some fried chicken and waffles. Let me show you how easy it is to make fried chicken and waffles. The best fried chicken and waffles ever. Don't blink. I'll first start off with this brat here. She's up and early again. Good morning, sous chef Katie. Good morning. Are you ready to cook? Huh? Are you ready to cook? You ready to cook? Are you ready, Kitty? Yes. Let's do that. Got 3 pounds of chicken wings here. Throw in 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt. Get your beautiful clean hand. Get right into it, guys. Once you got that nice and coated, we're just gonna let this sit for the time being. Don't sleep or blink on this recipe, guys. So 1 cup of plain white flour, wet batter, 3 eggs, 1 can of club soda, 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, and 1 cup of flour. Nothing to it. Beat that in. Seasoning flour, 3 cups of flour going in, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of seasoning salt, ½ tablespoon of onion powder, ½ tablespoon of poultry seasoning, ½ tablespoon of paprika. Mix that in, guys. Mix that in very well. Last thing, we're gonna whip up our waffles. So 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna go in with ½ tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that in. Crack in 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of melted butter here. Lastly, 2 cups of milk. Eyeball it. Mix that in, guys. Mix that in very well. And I forgot, guys, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or whatever I have left. Mix that in very well. Let's do this. I got everything set up. I got my waffle maker and I got vegetable oil here heating up on a max high for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna drop it down to a 4. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna start frying. So our frying technique. So we got our wing into our plain white flour into our egg into our seasoning flour into the pool. But first, let's start with this. I got this beautiful waffle maker here. I got some butter here. I'm gonna butter that up. Next, grab my thick batter. Don't worry, guys, it is very fluffy in the end, all around the cracks there. All right, nothing to it. 5 minutes. 5 minutes up. Waffle complete. It's just beautiful, don't you think? Oil has dropped down to a nice temperature. I'm gonna stick in my chopstick. Once it bubbles up like that, we're ready to fry. Ready to make the best fried chicken in the world, guys? Let's do this. So we got our seasoned chicken wings. I'm gonna do 4 at a time. Go into our plain white flour, shake off any excess, into our egg wash, shake off any excess, into our seasoning flour, and just pack it in. Pack it in very well, guys. Shake off any excess. Nothing to it now. Everybody in the pool. I don't care if you can swim, just get in. Cooking time, 8 to 10 minutes. This goes out to all my haters again. You can hate, whine, cry, complain, all you want. Come on, guys. But when it comes down to my fried chicken game, you better respect my fried chicken game. You better respect it. Starting on the next batch, this is very important, guys. You've gotta strain the bits and pieces in this. If you don't strain the bits and pieces in this, it will burn on your next batch. I promise you, all right? So make sure, guys, you clean out your oil before you start your next batch. Welcome to this part of the video where we just stop what we're doing, listen to that jazz music in the back, and just admire this fried chicken game. This is the most beautifulest wing ever. I can't stop looking at it. I just want to break it right now, but we gotta save it, guys. We gotta save it for the plating. You know that's gonna be good. Don't you just like that jazz music with this? It's just so beautiful. It's gonna be really crunchy and good. I'm in love. There's the heart for it too, guys. Look at that. It's meant to be. It's a heart. Time to set this up. Keeping it simple, guys. Got the waffles. beautiful fried chicken. Lots of fried chicken. More fried chicken than waffles. I think that's beautiful right there. Top this off with some whipped butter. Don't worry guys, I'm not using that all, it's just for presentation. Shout out to my neighbors. This is their jar that I did not give back yet. I'll give it back, summertime. And shout out to Mrs. Butterworth for supplying me with the best syrup ever. Just like that. There it is guys. Your easy, simple fried chicken and waffles made before your eyes. How simple is that? It'll just come through guys. I set up a plate, so I got some waffles. I'm gonna do a bit of this whipped butter. Just a bit, not too much. Moment of silence for this, please. Some syrup. Aunt Jemima, no, it's not Aunt Jemima. Miss Butterworth. A piece of fried chicken. Let's just start with this first. Guys, here's a plate for you first. Quick time, take it. I'm just teasing. I'm such a jerk. A moment of silence for this, guys. The breakaway. I'll break it this way. This is just the drum right here. That piece is the drum. Wait. Let me break away a piece of waffle for you guys on the side. Take a small bite of that. Just a small bite. Yes, got it. Nice. I'm super pumped. Oh! That's hot. Waffle, quick time. Alright. I'm opening up chicken and waffle place. Who's down? Who's down to come by? You get salty, sweet. It's a whole lot of flavors in your mouth. When you come down to my restaurant, you better eat around the knuckle. You better. That's where the flavor is. Look at this. Most beautifulest crust ever. I know last time I said I was gonna do a hot sauce base or hot sauce marinade. I forgot the hot sauce again, guys. I'm trying to find Louisiana hot sauce. It's very hard to find here. I think they only sell it to restaurants and not consumers. I think you have to talk to somebody who's working in a restaurant to get it. But I'm gonna keep my eye out for it. Out of all hot sauces, the Louisiana hot sauce works best for fried chicken. Yeah. I can only do one more. Just because Just because I can't eat that much fried chicken, guys. Come on. Look at this. This right here is just a drum. Second bite of this. Quick time. Guys got it. Nice. Super pumped. The yin and yang between sweet and salty. That always has my heart. Last time I made fried chicken and waffles, I had a watermelon salad. I don't know what it is, but people were calling me racist for it. I don't know why, but people were just saying I was racist for this. Please do explain. That's beautiful. Just imagine having this for dinner. Or your husband or your wife or your kids or your grandparents, parents made you this. I'll be so pumped. Mostly after school. If I was a kid and my parents made this and I came home from school, I'd be so pumped. Or just anything really. I feel like those were the good times there. Coming home for lunch. That's crispy. I'm gonna say this syrup is very sticky. I'd say more stickier than Aunt Jemima. If you guys are watching, I did not put a lot of sugar in this just because I know the syrup will bring out the sugar in this waffle here. And it played out very well. Alright, probably the best. I'm not gonna lie. Probably the best waffle and chicken I ever made in my life. I wish I can eat it all. But guys, you guys gotta understand this. It's all about balance. You can eat things like this. Just don't go overboard. After this meal here, it's just plain chicken breast or seasoned chicken breast, veggies, my veggie shake, protein shake, and maybe a clutch bar in the middle. And that's it, guys. Balance is key. I always eat my junk food in the morning. Why? Because I can use it up as energy throughout the day. Simple. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, Don't forget to pick up on your bomb shirts. Food and life's a beautiful thing. Shirt, like, share this.
Biggest help today, Princess or sous chef Kitty. My sous chef Kitty. Thank you for your help, Kitty. Hey. Thank you for your help. You're such a big help today, Kitty. Yes, you were. Yes, you were, Kitty. Yes. Come say bye to everybody. Come say bye. Bye.
Peace out.